Hey guys, this is Alex with Eastside Music School, and today I'm here with Jamey Cummins.
Hey.
He teaches guitar with us, and he's a local singer-songwriter, and we're really excited because today we're going to announce our Songwriter Workshop.
That's
And
right.
you could tell us a little bit about
It's
that.
coming up Sunday, March 8th. We're going to cover everything from chords and lyrics and melody to the business side of things. So hopefully you're going to run the gamut of the whole process.
Great. And who would this class be ideal for?
I think it'd be ideal for anyone that wants to write a song. Whether you've written songs, you want to brush up on your craft, or you've never written a song and you just want to know how to get started, I think this class will be for you.
That sounds awesome, man. And then what could the students hope to take away from the class?
Ideally, you're going to have a new song that you've just written or
Wow.
a good start on your next hit by the
Nice.
time you leave.
Great. Sounds like a lot of fun, man. I'd love to take the class. So that's Sunday, March 8th at Eastside Music. We'll have a sign up online, and maybe you could play us out with one of your originals, Jamey.
All right. Coming to a interlude, my dear. No charts or maps or graphs to make it clear. And I guess we're gonna find out